Very good morning to all of you, and welcome back to our mathematics class with your Raj sir. So today we are in exercise 11.4, my dears, in the same chapter, mensuration. I forgot to mention the date. Please mention the date on the top of your copy. Okay, let's start with question number 1. I'll just read out the question. You please look at on your screen. Given a cylindrical tank in which situation will you find the surface area, and in which situation volume? So when you have to find the surface area and when you have to find the volume, you need to know that. So that's why I have not done this one, so you'll do it by yourself. I'll just explain you what is area and what is volume. Okay, I'll give you a very simple example to make you understand. First, let me make one figure. A cylindrical tank means this kind of tank is there. Okay, suppose this is a tanky where you preserve the water. A cylindrical tank is there. Now see, my dears, if I tell you, compare this with the plastic tank where you preserve water in your home. Okay, so this kind of tank is there. Suppose it is closed downward, it is closed here and here too, and only a small where you can put, you can connect water and all. Suppose this tank is there. Now if I tell you to color the tank, if I'll tell you to color the tank, where you will color it? The place you can color. If I tell you to color the entire tank, then you will color the outer part of the tank, the upper part of the tank, and the lower part of the tank. So that's a area of the tank, isn't it? So whenever we are talking about the area, the part where you can color over here, inside, outside, it's the area of this tank. Now when we talk about volume, that means if I tell you fill up the tank with water, so now water will occupy which place of the tank? Water will occupy the inner place of the tank, isn't it? It will cover the entire space of the tank, this one. So that is the volume of this tank. So this is the difference between the area and the volume. Okay, so let us read the sub questions of this number and try to answer it. To find how much it can hold, how much water it can hold, that is the area or volume. Now I think you know it, that is the volume. Number of cement bag required to plaster it. So plaster, you will do it in the surface, isn't it? In the outer surface. So that is the area. To find the number of smaller tank that can be filled with water from it. So this you will do yourself. I'll not tell you what's the answer. Okay, understand and write it. Please do not look at the back of your answer in your textbook. If you have not understood, you ask me, but please do not copy it from the back. Okay, let's move to the next question, that is question number 2.